A. Establishing and abolishing offices in its public service. B. Appointing persons to hold or act in those offices and confirming appointments. And C. Exercising disciplinary control over and removing persons holding or acting in those offices. Whereas Section 51 of the County Governments Act 2012 provides that there shall be established at the level of each sub-county the office of the sub-county administrator. And whereas Section 51(1) of the County Governments Act 2012 provides that there is established for each ward in a county the office of the ward administrator. Further, whereas these offices were already substantively filled in the year 2014, upon assumption of office in 2021, the Governor Amos Nyaribo, aware that these offices were substantively filled, deliberately allowed the recruitment of sub-county and ward administrators to fill the artificial, in quotes, vacancies leading to double appointments and hence double payment of salaries, depriving the county of development funds. Mr. Speaker, whereas Section 10(5) of the Enrollment Act 2007 provides for the procedure of a change of contract terms for an employee, the Governor, through letter reference NCG/CS/T/F/18, Volume 3/283, dated 27th June 2024, redeployed 10 officers who were ward and sub-county administrators to positions in which they had no requisite competencies so as to create room for the dual appointments. This is demonstrated in Annex CAN 2.5/30, posting order from the County Secretary deploying ward and sub-county administrators. Mr. Speaker, particular 2.6 is on abuse of office through usurpation of powers of the Auditor General and the County Public Service Board and violation of the process through illegal payroll audit and demotions. Mr. Speaker, whereas Article 47 of the Constitution and the Fair Administrative Action Act 2015 enshrined the right to fair administrative action and due process, whereas Article 2294A(4) provides that within 6 months after the end of each financial year, the Auditor General shall audit and report in respect of that financial year the accounts of the national and county governments. Mr. Speaker, whereas Section 59A of the Constitution of the County Governments Act 2012 provides that the County Public Service Board shall A. be independent and shall not be subject to the direction or control of any other person or authority. And whereas Section 59F and Section 61G of the County Governments Act 2012 vest the powers to exercise disciplinary control over and to remove persons holding office in the County Public Service, squarely the County Public Service Board, whereas Section 35 of the Audit Act 2015 provides for the procedure